Hello everyone, make a bunch in the top section of the hair, create a gap using your finger, drop the tail into it, grab the sides of the hair right below that and tie with the rubber and drop it inside to get a twisted band. Do the same twisted band once again and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have a rubber attach the first and third part. In the middle one, how it split them into 2 parts and how it break down in a thicker manner and how the end secure with the rubber band. Combine every tail together with the rubber band and stuff the tip into the middle one, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top, have it in place by dropping lovely hairpin. Comb your top section of the hair and have a rubber attach the middle part, create a gap behind it using your finger, drop the tail into it, make it go from right to left and have it come down. Make a ponytail and split the tail into 2 equal parts and have a rubber attach the middle part of them and create a loop and drop the tails into it, making another twisted band. Then combine both the tails together with another rubber at the bottom part and have the tips combined together in the middle. Then make it as a bun, move the bun to the top, have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side, decorate with your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Leave the side sections of the hair for later with a section of the hair at the back, split them into 3 equal parts and have it braid in a thicker manner. Then secure the end with the rubber band. Roll the braid to the top and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on either side. Then grab the sides of the hair we said before and combine them together right behind the bun with the rubber band and split the tail into 2 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part and have it in place by dropping a little hairpin on either side. Decorate with your favorite hair cluster on top of that. Grab your entire hair from the bottom at the back and tie with the rubber band and create a gap behind it using your finger. Drop the tail into it and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have it braid along with each other in a thicker manner and roll it to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side. Comb the sides of your hair, tie in the middle of the rubber band and drop it inside to get a favorite twisted band. With the remaining section of the hair along the tail, split them into 2 equal parts and have ponytails on each of them and have a rubber band attach the middle part of the tails and drop the entire tail into the parent loop and make it come down. The excess part of the tail, repeat it again by having a twisted band on that one as well. Now do the same on the right side and secure the end with the rubber band. Hold your lovely hair from behind and tie with the rubber band, making a beautiful ponytail and create a gap behind it using your finger. Drop the tail into it, split it into 2 and tighten it a little bit, then pinch out the hair on the twisted band, and after that with the remaining tail we have a rubber band attach the middle part and stretch the middle one, stuff the tail into it, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin on either side, then decorate with your favorite hairpin. Once again, go for a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and have it split them into 4 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part on each of them. Then create a gap using your finger, drop the tails into it, making another twisted band. Then after that, combine all the 4 tails together with the rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tip into the middle, making as a bun, and move the entire bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin and decorate with your favorite hairpin in the middle. Comb a few strands of hair from the left side and have a rubber band attach top middle part and create a gap and drop the tail into it. Do the same for the right side as well. Once when you complete everything, have all the 3 tails combined together at the middle with the rubber band. Then after that with the remaining section of the hair along with the tail we have, make a lovely ponytail and split the tail into 3 equal parts and have a rubber band attach the middle part of them. Then create a gap using your finger and drop the tails into it, making a twisted band. Then combine all the 3 tails together with the rubber band at the bottom and stuff the tip into the middle part, making as a bun. Move the bun to the top and have it in place by dropping little hairpin. Decorate with your favorite hairpin on top of it. Thank you everyone for watching this video.